Oh my goodness, thank you guys so much. Hi vlog, I'm on set, so I figured I would start my vlog here because I have a fun week this week. So this is my last day on set. This is my trailer. And then I have a couch over here with a window that I'm not gonna open right now because I'm gonna change. And then I have this office space over here with a mirror. And this mirror, I just finished with hair and makeup. And now I have to put on my costume. And then I have a fridge, storage, microwave. Oh, let me microwave my lunch I brought. Waters. Oh, I actually need one. I'll take this one because I think that's Arrowhead, right? Yeah. I don't like the taste of Arrowhead. My costume. This is my bathroom. Where's the light? Oh. I don't know how to turn on that one. This is my bathroom, and yeah, so I'm gonna get changed now and go to Crafty. Nana was on set with me the other day, but today she's waiting in the car. Maybe she'll come later. Maybe she'll go somewhere nearby and then come back and stay in my trailer later. I don't know what her plan is. This is my lunch my sissy packed me. I'm gonna microwave it and have some now. And I'm gonna actually run my lines, get changed, and be completely ready. So whenever they're ready for me, I'll be ready. You know. See ya.
Okay, so tomorrow I'm not gonna wash.
When did you change into your pajamas?
Like 3 minutes ago, I think.
You guys, back home. Oh yeah, I brought food home from set. I accidentally took my shorts home and my hair clips. So I have to bring that back tomorrow. Mañana. After we go to our event. I'm gonna go shower and go to sleep. Let me stop talking because I think the rice pudding in my mouth looks really disgusting. But it's so bussin'. Toodles! Good morning vlog. We're at a workout class with Monday Swim now. Actually no, Monday Body now. But it's also the same company that does like Monday Swim. And it's a heated room. First ready to run, switch on. The white protective film coverage one damage is okay. The switch should be now in the up position. Feed your document into the laminated folded edge first. Like this. Okay.
Look sideways. Yeah, no, what have I done? Oh, okay, made it. I made it. Is it hot? Okay, so is it this? Should I use the same thing we have?
Yeah, sure.
Maybe that. Guess we got one.
Oh my gosh, it's so clear. Is there a hole puncher?
Okay, like this, right?
I'm
scared.
Oh, I can turn it on today. Okay.
Oh shoot. Oh, I said full good side first. Yeah. Oopsies. There you go. Oh shoot. You always go that side? You're fine, yeah. Really? Yeah. I'm not gonna make that mistake again. Oh, it's hot. It's so nice. I'm so happy we did it. Oh my god, look at my tongue.
Any condition.
Very
Over from
Large
other
screen
episode,
with
my
Galaxy
hair is
S21
double
Plus,
like
Note
this.
20 Ultra, Z Flip 4,
Yeah.
Z Fold 3, or newer
Don't
smartphones.
cut
Terms
a
and
bottom.
restrictions
I'm
apply.
so
Subject to
happy I
change.
cut a bottom.
See
That's why
att.com/Samsung
it's
for
growing this
details.
healthy, and it's like I'm taking better care of it than ever before. Yep.
Add a
I'm taking
summery
better care
Starbucks
of it
sip
than
to your
ever
grocery
before
trip.
because
Rich
the
mocha blended with milk and ice. Poured over a layer of whipped cream.
Gatorade Zero, the #1 proven electrolyte blend, made with zero sugar.
Okay, first stop of the day today is, oh my gosh. First stop of the day today is ICA. I am trying on this dress. It's from Nadine Marabi. Why isn't my camera focusing? This is the small. I think I'm gonna try the extra small to hopefully fit my neck a little better, but I love the shape of this dress. Oh my gosh. Cute. Okay, this is the extra small. This is what I'm talking about. Snatched, snatched, snatched. You guys,
One way, right?
Okay, Nana was, what is wrong with my camera? Oh. Okay, Nana was waiting for the food, but they said that they'll bring it out. So, Sissy's here now.
Hi.
I can see behind you. I can see behind you, so it's fine. She was worried somebody could snatch her bag. Whoa.
You look so cutesy.
So summery.
You do.
Like I look like I've been in the sun.
You're gonna take
somehow.
something off here. It's just like a fuzz.
That's right, booger.
It's right there. There you go, honey. Let's now get to post the cups now.
Oh, wow. I didn't vlog too much in the, what do you call it, the showroom, but I did on my phone, like, so I can include those clips. I'm gonna do like a TikTok vlog, but we picked a whole bunch of stuff from cider, from Dish, from
Oh, your dress. Where is it from again? I forgot.
Something Marambi?
Yeah, I
Marabi.
can't remember.
Nadine Marabi.
Oh yeah.
Nadine Marabi. I think that's it. Maybe shoes from.
You said
Oh,
cider?
shoes from.
Yeah, you did.
I did. Shoes from what's it called?
Betsy Johnson.
Betsy Johnson.
They actually ordered it, right?
It's so summery. The shoes that we picked. We picked the same shoes.
They have to.
Yeah, we ordered it. So hopefully it'll be here before August. They said that it should be. But yeah. Now we're at Mendocino Farms to eat before we go to Ulta Beauty to get some minis for the trip. Because we both won. Oh, sorry.
No, I'm like different angles.
I was thinking you hold the camera. Okay.
No.
But we actually both won Ulta Beauty gift cards because we went to TK's birthday.
Oh my
and,
goodness.
Yeah, she was giving away some gift cards for Ulta Beauty. So we both got it. I think it's $50 each?
Yeah.
$100 each?
Is it?
I don't know, but definitely enough to
50 or
get some
100.
minis. I just
Yeah.
want makeup wipes. Because I feel like it's important on the go. Just sometimes a quick makeup wipe is good. And then I'll see whatever minis catch my eye. Foods here. Okay, so I got the prosciutto and peach sandwich. Nana got the Farm Club sandwich, but we just shared so that we can try both. Thank you. Why'd you give me that much more?
No.
No, you're a rat. Take some.
No, it's good for you. You need to be drinking. I have to pee already, remember?
Cheers.
Oh, cheers.
Aguanta here. Here. Can't even talk. Oh, your camera is so nice. I'm copying the settings that you did. Yeah. No, how long have you been doing this for? Like an hour, 2 hours? I think an hour. It's not a joke. It's not a joke. Okay. Ah! Whoa, you did it! Why did I get scared? Like it's gonna boom, yes, right? Yeah, I was just gonna say sometimes I'm scared it's just gonna go boom. Oh, you're so good. Okay. Well, yeah, you did it. Why is it smaller than mine? Because you have double. Wait, Nikki, because you have double zipper. No. You did your double zip too. Look, so what were you saying that? Really? Before mine wasn't. Yeah, no. So what is this one? I could zip it? Yeah. No, that's where it stops. Oh. Yeah. It starts there and then it goes and stops. Okay, so we are the same. Okay, we are. Yeah, teeny. You have to set yeah. Oh my god, your suitcase looks so small, Nikki. I didn't think it was gonna close like this. Yeah, it actually looks small. You have to. Carefully. Wait, but you have to get up and see. It's so nice from this angle. I can get up. Yeah, I'm taking the duffel bag. That's great for you. Yeah. I'm taking my. No, that's not right. They're gonna say no. They're gonna say your stuff is overflowing. It's not. But Nikki, this has to go in the suitcase. This has to go in the suitcase. This is what I'm doing right here. This is what I'm doing. That's it. It's nothing is overflowing here. Mind your own business. Look. No, I must have a duffel. I want more stuff. I would follow you, but what they did to me last time, I can't. I'm telling you, it's because somebody checked something. I can't remember. I think mommy made us check. No, I'm serious. I don't think it was anything besides check back. Somebody checked something, and then we had. It just said you didn't have a. It just said you didn't have a carry-on or something. And I think you weren't supposed to because we did a checked bag. One person did a checked bag instead. Something weird, but I'm traumatized. I don't know. Because that would be so easy. And it's small. But what could they say? So much clothing. Do you remember the Nikki, do you remember mine was full. Yeah, do you remember do you remember the cruise? Yeah. The cruise crowd, we packed so much. I'm just a little scared. And I wouldn't have a lot to pack too because it'd be nice for my so maybe I have to do it in a way that it's small. It would be nice for my jewelry. And whoa, my makeup is done. Okay, I'm going to go get my hair done right now. I just got my eyebrows waxed this morning. I only recorded on my phone. I didn't bring my camera inside. And I was gonna wax my armpits, but it's too short. But now I'm on the way to get my hair done. I'm gonna get a silk press to have for the first week in Paris. And then I'm gonna have my hair curly for the rest of the time.